Hurry, brothers. Come on. I would like to play some video games. Other than this. Wait. Nope, no flip. Alright. The hardest part is that, always. So, definitely the terrain is different. It did not feel like this when I was just doing plain, Kano 1. I like that. That's a W nickname, Kano 1. Or just Kano Marathon. See, that's what's so great about. Oh, 9. No. Okay, good. I was worried. Okay. This mic and system. I don't know. On. Okay, great. Doing great so far. I don't know how difficult it's gonna be to get world record, but here is. Okay, I got past it. Good. On. Okay, wow. I don't know who that is, so no. Snapchat and these NPCs who just get created. She literally just to send stuff to me, by the way. Like, oh my god, I don't know who you are. Why do you keep sending me snaps? Like, there's this one guy who sends me probably 20 snaps a day. Like, I look at my phone after hearing the vibration, thinking it's something important, and it's just this one guy who's sending me the 20th snap of the day. And I was like, buddy, get a life. Like, I know I can't be talking, but like, I'm not even that old, so you can't use that against me. Please don't be trash. I want to play some video games today. Let's see here. Alright.